Global EV sales predicted to top 20 million this year. One automotive research firm has predicted that global electric vehicle EV sales will surpass 20 million in 2025, marking another year of growth in the sector, after reporting weeks ago that last year's global EV sales grew 25% year-over-year to over 17 million. Research firm Row Motion announced on Monday that it is forecasting over 20 million global EV sales in 2025. The firm has also clarified to teslarati that the figure includes both battery electric vehicles (BEVs) and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles (PHEVs). If reached, the milestone would mark an 18% increase in EV sales globally year-over-year, as led by key markets in China with 12.9 million units, 3.5 million across Europe and the United Kingdom, and around 2.1 million in the US and Canada. If 2024 was the year of elections, 2025 is the year of legislation, said Iola Hughes, Row Motion's head of research. The EU is seeing emission targets come into place. Trump's presidency promises change for the US, and China continues the popular trade-in scheme. Still, we anticipate a steady year of growth across all regions, with China continuing to lead the charge. Hughes also notes that many Chinese companies are expanding internationally throughout this year, with planned production projects all over the world. As such, the country is largely expected to continue its leadership in the market, as EV sales are forecasted to increase by roughly 17%. Meanwhile, European and North American markets are predicted to grow 15% and 16%, respectively, this year. Row experts also say that Europe's struggling market, which dropped 3% in 2024, is likely to see a bounce back in the coming months, as emissions targets come into play. In North America, the firm highlights the many production facilities set to go online in the coming years. Despite a substantially changing legislative landscape under President Donald Trump, Row Motion says the impact of such policy changes will be minimal in 2025 as a result, while longer-term forecasts anticipate a slight slowdown in growth. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.